Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this series, in this video, we'll be looking at some questions under coordinate geometry. As you can see, we are asked to find the distance and likewise the midpoint. So these are under coordinate geometry. We have two questions here. Question 1. If the distance between the point k, 5 and 5, 9 is 5, find the value of k. 2. The midpoint of point M, 4, minus 1, and N, x, y, is P, which is 2, 4. Find the coordinate of N. How do we do this? Let's start. Solution. The first one. We are asked to find the distance between these. So first, the formula for distance between 2 points is given as square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. And remember, this will take our x1, this will take our y1. This will take our s2 and this will take our y2. So substituting this and this into this, what are we going to have? Remember, they said the distance between this and this is 5. They've given us d. d is 5. So this will take the place of 5. 5 equal to the square root of x2 is what? 5. So here I have 5 minus x1 is k. So I have 5 minus k. So 5 minus k all square plus y2 is 9. So I have 9 minus y1 is 5. 9 minus 5 all square. So we need to knock out this square root. So how do we knock out the square root? We take square of both sides. So this will knock out this. 5 square will give us what? 25. So here we have 25 equal to 5 minus k all square plus 9 minus, is it 9 minus 5? y1 is what? 9, okay? Now y2 is 9, this is 5, okay? 9 minus 5 all square. So this is 25 equal to, let's expand this, 5 minus k all square will give us, that will give us 25 minus 10k plus k squared. That is the expansion of this. If you do the traditional way, which is 5 minus k all square, which is 5 minus k into 5 minus k. This time, when you do the normal traditional way, you will have this same result here. Okay, now from this place now, okay, we're not done. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. And 4 square will give us what? 16. This will give us 16. So here we have plus 16. How? 9 minus 5 is 4. And 4 raised to power 2 is 16. That's how we have 16 here. Okay. Now, if this cross to the other side, that will become minus. 25 minus 25, 0. So that has become 0. So here we have 0 equal to minus 10k plus k squared plus 16. And this will give us, arranging this, we have k squared minus 10k plus 16 will also give us 0. This is the same thing as this. Nothing has changed. Minus 10k, this is it, plus k squared, this is it, plus 16, this is it, equal to 0, this is it. So this has given us what? A quadratic equation. So we need to solve this quadratically. How do we solve it? Let's use factorization method. Look for two numbers. If you multiply, you will have minus 10k. If you add that same number together, you will have what? 16. What is the number? The number is minus 2 and minus 8. There was minus 2k plus 8, minus 2k minus 8k will give us minus 10k. Minus 2 times minus 8 will give us plus 16. So therefore, this is equal to k minus 2 and k minus 8 equal to 0. Now, this, if you expand this, k times k squared. K times minus 8 minus 8k. Put it at the back of your mind. Minus 2 times k minus 2k. Remember, minus 8k minus 2k minus 10k. Minus 2 times minus 8 plus 16 equal to 0. So here we can find the value of k. So therefore, k is equal to, k minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, k is equals to what? 2. And what? K is equals to, k minus 8 is equals to 0. If 8 goes to the other side, that will become k is equals to 8. So now we have found the value of k as 2 and 8. And that is the result for number 1. Now we go for number 2. Now number 2 is telling us that the midpoint of m and n is p. Find n. And remember, what is the value of n? X and y. So now for this, we need to use what? We need to use our midpoint formula. We need to use our midpoint formula since this is talking about the midpoint. And what is midpoint telling us? Midpoint is telling us that, let's see, number 2, we have midpoint. Midpoint is telling us that both for x and y axis. So let's do for x first. X is equal to x1 plus x2 all over 2, comma, y is equal to y1 plus y2 all over 2. This here is a formula for midpoint. For midpoint. So now, remember that from this place here, our value of m is this. So this one also will take our value of x1, y1. This also will take x2, y2. Okay? Why this one here will take our value of x, comma y. Now, here, our x will give us what? X will give us 2. So here we have 2 is equal to x1 will give us what here? X1 will give us 4. So here I put 4 plus x2 will give us what? X. So here we have plus x over 2. So we have 4 plus x over 2. 4 plus x over 2. Comma, y is 4. So here we have 4 is equal to, what is y1 and y2? Let's go. y1 is minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1. And y2 is y. So here we have minus 1 plus y. All over what? All over 2. So here, if we cross multiply, 2 times 2 will give us 6. Will give us 4. So here we have 4 equal to 4 plus x equal to, this is 4 times 2, 8 equal to minus 1 plus y. So we can get our value of what? We get our value of x from this place. So x is equal to 4 minus 4, 0, and y is equal to, y will give us what? Minus 1 plus 8. Minus 1 plus 8, that will give us 7. So we have 7. So therefore, x, y is equal to 0, comma 7, and that is it. Do you get it now? Thank you very much. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe.